You may wonder how many kinds of eels there are. The answer is there are hundreds of species of eels, but almost all of them live in salt water. Many, like the morays, live in coral reef areas, but others live buried in deep, soft mud bottom. The eels we use for cobia bait are called American eels. They live in fresh water in the eastern United States as adults, but when the urge to spawn hits them, they return to the Sargassum Sea off Bermuda, and after they spawn, they die. After the eggs hatch, the eel develops as a wispy, transparent larva about an inch long that stays in the plankton for a couple of years. Then they transform into another form called an elver, which moves into the estuaries. By the way, cobia aren't the only ones that relish eels, so do the Japanese. They collect these elvers, which are about 4 or 5 inches long, and raise them to adults, which are considered a delicacy. So American eels are not a natural food for cobia since they live in different habitats. But the wriggly gyrations make them absolutely irresistible, and they're such a hardy bait that in the last few years they have become the favorite for cobia. If you wonder where our eels come from, in the U.S., several businesses around Chesapeake Bay have learned from the Japanese and are rearing the elvers to adult size, and this provides a reliable source for cobia bait. These are young adults and would eventually reach a couple feet in length.